Welcome to the English virtual classes. Today we will start with lesson 4 prepositions, page number 33. Worksheet number 6. Discuss with your partner how the people mentioned below would have traveled. Then choose one phrase from the aid box to fill in the blanks. First, when the President of India went to the neighboring country, he travelled dash. He travelled by air. Second, the Stone Age man would have moved from one place to another dash on foot. Third, Vasco da Gama went on a sea voyage dash on a ship, but Neil Armstrong went into the space dash in a spacecraft. Fourth, the postman goes dash to deliver letters, goes on a bicycle to deliver letters. Fifth, most people who travel Delhi to Haridwar travel dash, travel by bus. Number 6, all the celebrities went to the inaugural function venue dash by car. Number 7, my elder brother went to the college dash on a motorbike. Now, page number 34, exercise do it yourself, first part. The passage given below has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Underline the error and write the correct word in the space provided as shown in the first line. In these sentences, you have to correct the prepositions. First sentence is, it was late of the night. Here the word of means the preposition of is wrong. You have to write the correct preposition, and the correct preposition is in. Now the correct sentence is, it was late in the night. Second sentence, Anita was looking out at her window. Here at is wrong. You have to write of in place of at. Next, she saw a stranger at the street. You have to write in place of at. Next, he was looking to a new car. Here to is wrong and you have to write at. Next, he tried at force open the front. At is wrong. Write to in place of at. Next, windows in the car but he did. In is wrong. You have to write of the car. Not succeed. Anita called out in. In is wrong. Write on him but he did not look up. Now write all the answers carefully and underline the wrong prepositions. Now exercise 2. Complete the dialogue by filling in suitable words, means suitable prepositions. First, Pinky, hello, may I speak dash Garima please? To Garima. Mr. Agarwal, she is not dash home, at home. She has gone dash the doctor, to the doctor. May I know who is calling? Then Pinky, I am Pinky, I am calling dash Janakpuri, from Janakpuri. I want to know if she would be going dash the picnic tomorrow, to the picnic tomorrow. Mr. Agarwal, no Pinky, she cannot go tomorrow. She is suffering dash high fever, from high fever. In fact, she has gone dash the doctor, to the doctor dash her checkup, for her checkup. Now page number 35, exercise 3. Rewrite these sentences correctly. You can change a word or two if you have to. Add words wherever necessary. First sentence is, Rakhi came all the way by foot just to meet me. Here the word by, the preposition by is wrong. You have to write on in place of by. Now the proper sentence is, Rakhi came all the way on foot just to meet me. Write it carefully in your book. B part. All the children on the class are making noise. On is wrong. You have to write in. All the children in the class are making noise. Next, number C. Latika screamed on the top of her voice. On is wrong. Latika screamed at the top of her voice. Number D. I am standing at the school premises. Here at is wrong. I am standing in the school premises. Last, number E. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and on the people. Here, on is wrong. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Next, worksheet number 4. Complete the following story. You have to write the prepositions in the given blanks. The story is Ritika and Saksham were good friends. Some days ago, they went dash a park to a park. The two dash them of them played dash some time for some time. Ritika saw a little puppy sitting dash a tree under a tree. It was licking its paw. Ritika went near it and picked it up. Saksham was scared dash doing that, of doing that. When Ritika picked up the puppy dash her hands, in her hands it started licking her. A thorn dash the paw, in the paw had caused a wound there. She removed the thorn. They took the puppy along with them and applied some medicine dash its wound, on its wound. 2 days later, the puppy went back dash the park happily, to the park happily. Now write all the prepositions neatly and carefully in these blanks. Now the chapter is complete and today your homework is learn lesson 4 prepositions. Thank you and have a nice day.